Welcome to the nCDN Self-Service Portal tutorial. In this video, I will show webmasters and website administrators how to log in and configure nCDN to help accelerate your website performance in just a few simple steps. nCDN, or New Kind of Content Delivery Network, is a new service offered by NKN, which provides web acceleration and caching for your website or web application. In fact, nCDN is being used to accelerate NKN's own website, as well as the NKN T-Rex Runner minigame and more. Best of all, we are now offering nCDN as part of a limited beta for free, so you can try it for yourself. Now let's get started. Navigate to the login page at ncdn.io, and in the upper right-hand corner, click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and click Send Verification Code. You will receive an email from nCDN@NKN.ORG with your verification code. Copy the 8-digit verification sent via email into the sign-up window. Complete the form by entering a password, name, and company, as well as the option to include a mobile number, and click Submit. Next, click on the Sign In tab at the top of the page. Enter your credentials and click Submit. Once you are logged in, you can add a new record for your domain under the Record tab. Enter your host and source IP. Optionally, you can enter a certificate and private key to enable secure HTTPS, as well as select how often you would like the caching to be cleared. The default value is 4 hours. Then click the green checkmark to submit your new record. Once the record has been submitted, state of your record will be shown at the bottom of your screen. The record will be in the pending approval state until it has been reviewed and approved. The state will then be updated to reflect the approved status. This new configuration will then be deployed to the network, and upon completion, will transition to the success state. Once the record is in the success state, you will need to update your DNS to include CNAME record global.edge.ncdn.io to direct your domain to use nCDN for delivery. In order to validate that you are set up correctly, go to the Domain tab and enter your domain and click on the green checkmark. The tool will show the current state of the domain, as well as text that you can add to your DNS entry in order to validate that your record is set up correctly. The nCDN web portal also provides a way to immediately purge existing cache from the Options tab. This can be useful when you just did an update on your website and you would like the changes to take effect immediately for a global audience. And since we are offering nCDN for free during our initial launch, there is no need to enter any payment information. We have now shown you how to configure and validate your domain to use NKN's nCDN Web Acceleration and Caching Service. Check it out for yourself at ncdn.io. For more support tips, check out our Discord channel or our forum at forum.nkn.org. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.